Hello everyone, I am Charanjit Kaur, one of the enthusiasts in fintech industry. If you, any of your friend or family members is using auto debit recurrent payments to pay, for example, for various recharges, payments for subscriptions, for example, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, to pay for insurance premiums, credit card payments, etc., make sure to watch this carefully. Otherwise, feel free to skip. There is a mandate by RBI that all the banks, payment providers, NBFCs, etc., have to follow certain guidelines, and if not, they cannot process recurrent payments. And this guideline is related to additional factor authentication, which is AFA. What this means is that any transaction beyond 5,000 rupees needs to have an OTP authentication before the transaction can be processed. And additional rule that they have mandated is 24 hours before the transaction, a link should be sent to the end user on SMS, using which user can in fact modify or cancel the upcoming payment, and if no action taken, payment will go through, right? And multiple banks in India, for example, ICICI, HDFC, Axis, have already complied with this, and some of the service providers, for example, Netflix, Hotstar, Amazon Prime, Max Insurance, Policy Bazaar, etc., have also already complied with it. However, for example, one of the major banks that we use, SBI, has asked time of about few months to be ready with the changes. So what you can do next is check any notification that you would have received on your email from your bank, or you can go to your bank website and check any alternate methods that they are providing to you to process the payment. One thing to note here is that all of the EMI payments, SIPs, etc., are not affected by this. Why that? Because they are directly debited from your account, not something to be deducted from your card or your payment wallet. Make sure to go an extra mile and make this payment, especially if you are using this for insurance premiums, for example, because if not paid within the grace period, your policy could be cancelled. And especially for credit card users, right, if you do not pay the bill within time, you could be levied with hefty interest charges. Why take that load unnecessarily? Go and make the payment wherever you were relying on the recurrent payment. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.